What's going on mga koys? Ngayon meron na naman tayo isang i-unbox. So ito yung isang napakagandang clipper pero titingnan natin kung talaga bang maganda. So ito yung parang talagang pinaka the best replica ng Babyliss FX Pro. So tingnan natin. So ito yung dumating. So dumating na siya kanina. Then silipin natin. So medyo malaki yung box niya o yung plastic niya. Tingnan natin. So meron siyang kasamang European adapter. So hindi ko alam bakit may kasama pa. Usually adapter siya. So ito. Ayaw natin yung meron siyang Chinese na box. So naghihintay tayo ng dalawang o baka maging tatlo ngayon yung gugupitan natin. So swerte tayo may gugupitan tayong tatlo. So buksan natin to. So again, welcome back mga boys. So ito na yung mga clipper natin. So what's up YouTube? So this is a clipper I bought from AliExpress and this costs around $30 to $35. So for this clipper, this is very cheap. So you have the metal casing here. It's aluminum. I think this is really metal, yeah. So I got the taper blade. Again with the lever with notches and ridges. So it comes with 5 ridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again taper blade, and this is 120 to 240 volts. Charging time is 3 hours. Okay, so actually this is a Ubeator clipper, but I received a Buddah X6. So this is the model name. So I am not surprised anymore if Kemei, VGR or Wmark will release this kind of clipper, because I think this is the original manufacturer, Buddah. I don't know, I'm not sure, this is only my opinion, because if you can see the site of the Ubeator flagship store on AliExpress, then you will see this clipper without a logo, but now I received this with this logo. Okay, the Buddah X6. So this is also the packaging of this. So as you can see, this is Chinese character, and I don't know, and I cannot translate it anymore. And at the back you will find here the model number. Maybe this is the model number, the X6, and the wattage of the motor or the clipper is 5 watts. So the charger is, so this is not a fast charger because it's only 1 ampere, and of course powered by lithium battery, 3.7 volts, 2200 milliamp hours. So it's written here, company is Buddah. I don't know, I think it's Buddah. Okay, so let's open the box. So you'll get this box, you'll get the 4 guide combs. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the user's manual. Then this is the charger. I received a US plug charger, but I received a European adapter for this charger. Let's check this bad boy here. So yun na mga koys, napakaganda. Makita nyo. So yung design niya is parang copper or whatever, kung anong kulay ito. This is the yellow. Kung makita nyo sa yellow copper. So metal siya, tapos meron siyang mga parang anti-slip here sa baba, and you will see a 3 display here. So these three lights indicator will lit up. If this is fully charged, then maybe you'll get only the red one. It's already low. So okay, so this is not zero gap. This is not zero gap. Dito naka zero gap mga coils. Pero yung niya, yung mga coils, yung cam follower niya, hindi rin siya fix. Na-check ko na. So naka rin yung cam follower niya, para naka-float din. So this clipper has 2-speed Okay, let's check this. This is the first speed. Okay, that's the first speed of this clipper, and the second speed. Let's try the second speed. Oh. So let's turn this. So this is the first speed again. Okay, you can barely see the movement of the blade, but if you turn this on the second speed, boom. Alright. This is a fast clipper. So let me check this, let me compare this to our VGR. So this is the VGR. So let me see side by side. Okay. So almost same in height. Okay. Both comes with a taper blade. Both comes with ridges. But this one looks really dope. So this one is heavier than the VGR. Okay. So almost the same in body. So this is the upgrade already of this Kemei 2605 or the VGR 011. But VGR, let me compare the run test of these clippers. Ooh. This one. So this is smoother, but this VGR is still the fastest clipper ever. Okay, but it doesn't matter how fast your clipper is, but this has a good or very decent run or very decent motor. Okay, so let me compare these two China brands to my Babyliss clipper. So as you can see, the Ubeator or the middle one is the most closest clipper ever replica of the Babyliss. So the power button, of course this is smaller than Babyliss. This is the Chrome Pro, this is the UK version. Of course the body of the Babyliss is bigger. Babyliss is heavier actually. But Babyliss has smoother lever. Okay, but let's compare the so look at the power button, almost identical. So this is the run test of this Babyliss. Okay. And this is the run test of the Buddah X6. So you can barely see which is more powerful. The Babyliss moves faster and create more vibration. So this is the done test. Let's check. Oh. Okay, let's dance. So, ayun nga mga kuys, kitang-kita nyo naman kung paano sumayaw yung mga clipper natin. So, makikita nyo dyan kung sino talaga yung pinakamabilis. So, the fastest is the VGR, then comes next the Babyliss and the Buddah. But of course, pinaka-paborito natin is the favorite, all-time favorite is the Babyliss clipper. Okay, so this is the unboxing video. I hope you like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe because I'm going to modify everything, unbox more China brands, So, salamat mga kuy sa panonood nyo. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung episode na to at medyo nalinawan kayo sa unboxing video na to. So, gagamitin natin itong mga kuys, then sasabihin ko sa inyo ano ba ang aking masasabi dito or aking opinion about this clipper. So, thank you for watching again. Sampitz the Hobby Barber signing out. Chang!